Hello. All right. So, guys, those of you that watched the last time, if you remember, I don't know, it's probably like 7 days ago, we had a swarm just like this in this same spot. The difference is this one's quite a bit larger. So we'll try to capture it again. The other one did well last week. We'll try to capture this one. I'm satisfied she's in here somewhere. And once again, this is a natural thing for bees to do this time of year. They build up, they've got plenty of food, they've got plenty of honey stores, protein, and things get crowded, so they say, hey, let's go out and find somewhere else. And that's what we see happening here. So I'll shake them off again, similar to what we did last week. And we'll get right on into the service. Maybe use a little bit of smoke so they can kind of see what's going on. And just very easily. So this swarm is probably substantially larger than the one last week. Hopefully we can get her in there and get settled in real good. Go get a top. Like I say, remember the key I want to kind of confuse these bees so that they think it's more of a natural progression, that they're just kind of easing into this. But anyway, we'll let you know. And looks like we've probably got another pretty large swarm of bees. Thanks for tuning in.